May I have your attention, please? Train number 400, the executive, is now arriving on track number 2. Please stand clear of the tracks on the bricks behind the cement walkway and allow passengers to get off the train before you attempt to board. Passengers holding tickets for the first class parlor car, please board at lamppost 0. If you have a ticket for the dining car, please board at lamppost number 3. Passengers holding an open observation car ticket, please